Hey, this is Nate. Just wanted to put this quick video together for you, give you some tips and tricks on your website. Scrolling down through the site itself, you've got a great layout. The site looks really good, but you don't have a lot of content here. With Google, content is king. We recommend about 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage and about 500 to 750 words on those back service pages. You want to get those keywords and keyword phrases that people are typing into Google organically into the content on your page. It's not the only way to rank for a particular keyword, but it is the easiest and fastest way for Google to pick up on those keywords and know that your site is relevant to what people are looking for. So I put you into one of the SEO tools that we have. Your title tag and your H1 tag are both super important to Google, and they help build a very clear path of communication as to where you are and what you do. So your title tag right now, you've got your company name here, and then you've got all these different services. You're only supposed to go up to 70 characters on that, and you're at 137. I try to keep these super simple. I looked up the area that you work. It looks like it's Ocala, Florida. So I would do Ocala FL pressure washing dash company name. Keep that really simple, and then build out back service pages for all these others, all these other services that you offer. And then do the same thing, do Ocala FL house wash dash company name for the title tag on one of those back pages. With your H1 tag, you currently don't have one set up. Generally, your H1 tag is like right here. It's one of the first things that you see on the site, but you have to tell the website that you want that to be your H1 tag. And I would do the same thing with that, Ocala FL pressure washing. Keep it really short, keep it simple. Having those two set up that way tells Google where you are and what the main service is that you offer, so they know what type of stuff you want to rank for. You also don't have a meta description set up, and I will show you some examples over here. I typed in Ocala FL pressure washing. If you scroll down here to the organic listings, this right here is that title tag that we talked about for all of these websites. And then this little bit right below that is that meta description. So you do want to get some keywords into the meta description. You can see all of these have bolded words in here. They're not set up that way on the website. Google is doing that to tell me that these sites talk about what I'm looking for. So with your title tag, probably 90% of the companies that I find ranking on page 1, they all talk about what they do and where they are. So pressure washing, Ocala. This guy's got power washing and pressure washing. He does have Ocala in the meta description, but I like to get it in the title tag too. Pressure washers, Ocala, pressure washing, Ocala, pressure washing, Ocala. So, if all of these sites have that in common, and have their title tags set up that way, it just kind of shows the importance of making sure you get that set up right to start with. So I would go ahead and make those few changes, get some content added in here. If you need help, you know how to find me. I will talk to you later. Thank you.